Did you enjoy law school? What was that experience like?
Law school. Law school was an interesting experience because, like most people, it's the first time you've ever been exposed to these legal concepts before. Before it was like stuff we see on TV or movies. We didn't really understand like the study and the analysis and the learning of it. And it was quite. I've got blunt. It was quite an awakening. I learned a lot, but I also learned that it really comes down to we're still dealing with people. That's what the law really is. It's not logic, it's not reasoning. The law is basically experience, and it's based upon experience. That's how we decide things, and the people. And we have like a negligence law, for example, which I do a lot of. Experience has taught us that if we don't hold people accountable for breaking basic safety rules, it's going to get repeated. If we have an area on a highway where everybody knows that the posted speed limit is like 55 or 65 miles an hour, if the people driving along that know that's not going to be enforced, that you could drive 10 miles an hour or 20 miles an hour or 30 miles an hour, it's not going to be enforced, then people are going to drive 20, 30 miles over, okay? And then people are going to get hurt. And our system, our tort system, our civil system, that's really one of the most important parts of our system. It's not just to compensate people that have been injured or hurt by the wrongdoing of others. That's part of it. That's part of it. But I think probably the most important thing is that our juries, as the conscience and the voice of our communities, are going to say, hey, these are our safety rules. They're important to us. And they're so important that we're going to enforce them in this case so that people down the road will know that they're always going to have to follow these safety rules and thereby protect all of us. Because if everyone follows safety rules, no one gets hurt. Everyone gets home to their families and everybody's lives go on like they're supposed to. Okay? But if we don't enforce them, if we give people a pass, give them a break, then that's when that behavior gets rewarded and it keeps repeating itself. So I kind of think that's the important part of my job. It's not only helping the people that got hurt and get through this thing, but also making it so our community is safer by helping enforce the safety rules.